Hey everyone, welcome to the premiere of Social Chats Podcast Magazine's segment Digital Visionaries, coming to you live from our experiential Social Chat Studios in GoBrunch. I'm your host, Tonya Scholz, guiding you through the uncharted territories of digital marketing. In this first episode at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, we'll be getting an exclusive inside look at GoBrunch that provides immersive virtual collaboration solutions that bring the feeling of in-person connection to online events and meetings. Founded in 2017, the company serves over 60,000 users globally with its easy-to-use platforms for webinar, virtual conferences, workspaces, and more. GoBrunch is committed to creating virtual experiences that feel as real as being there together in real life. GoBrunch is empowering marketers to create immersive branded environment that deliver transformational digital experiences. As experiential marketing explodes, platforms like GoBrunch allows for custom virtual spaces that provide that VIP feeling. Get ready to enter a new dimension of digital connection as we speak with the GoBrunch founder. Also, World Builders Expo that's coming up this Tuesdays and Wednesday. The organizers will be here also. They are influential Brunchies community members. Their insights will uncover how this virtual facilitates meaningful networking and enables complete customization for next level of digital experiences. Join us today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be live on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube to discover the future of possibilities of experiential digital marketing built in GoBrunch. The virtual world awaits, so let's brunch. See you then.